Hi, it's Sachi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make this linear leggings by Pattern.Scissors.Cloth. It's a new pattern and I'm really excited to try. My only concern about this pattern is that this lower leg area look a little bit narrow and I have big calves. So I'm gonna try to alter the pattern first and see if I can accommodate my calves. So let's find out. I printed the pattern on letter size paper. I'm not really a tech person and just hit the print button to print, but if you know how to separate the layers, the pattern gives you an option to print just the layer of your size. The pattern comes in a wide range of sizes. I like how different sizes have different line styles. It's easy to see your size even if you printed all the sizes like I did. What I really liked about the pattern is that all the pieces are arranged so that all the taping you have to do is cut down to the minimum. I checked the inseam of the pattern and decided to shorten the legs by 2 inches. I did it at the knee level. I marked the knee level of my sides with blue highlighter and drew lines 1 inch above and below the knee level line. When you do this, you want to make sure the grain line is not skewed. I'm ignoring the jagged edges on the side seam for now because I'm going to make some changes there next. I overlapped all the seam allowances to check the finished width at the calf. Then I found out that I needed like 3 more inches around calf. I taped a piece of paper to the side seam of one of the pant pattern pieces and added 3/4 of an inch at the side seams around the bottom hem. I extended the line to meet the hip line, then blended the lines with smooth, slightly curved line. So I added about 3/4 of an inch on the outside seams because I wanted to keep this center seam in the middle of the pants, and I did the same thing to the back of the pants too. Altogether, I think I added 3 inches. Let's see if this works out. My fabric was from my stash. I thrifted the fabric long time ago, so I'm not sure of its content, but I'd say it's a medium weight poly spandex blend. I like this darker side, so that's going to be the right side of my fabric. The pants are vertically seamed, so it's important to cut all the pieces accurately on the grain. Before cutting out any pieces, I arranged all the big pieces and made sure all the grain lines are parallel to the savage edge of the fabric. I used my serger to put pieces together and top stitched with my regular sewing machine. The instruction of the pattern tells you to use mock flat block stitch, and I thought this was the closest on my machine. Top stitch could be in contrasting color and look really nice, but I decided to go with the closest color to the fabric. I omitted the zipper in the front slits. I wanted the slit opening to slightly overlap, so I folded one side about 3/8 of an inch and top stitched first. Then I folded the other side at the original finish line and top stitched, and then continued in the same line to top stitch the front seam. I constantly check the instruction to see which side I should lay all the seam allowances to. I think it's an important thing to pay attention to in order to avoid unnecessary bulk at intersecting seams. I think I shortened the pattern a little too much in the beginning and I didn't have much hem allowance. I couldn't make a nice hem with my machine stitch, so after many tries I decided to hand stitch the hem. Originally the pants were supposed to have hidden back pocket, but I thought I would never put anything there, so I omitted it. But it's probably a nice feature if you wanted to put a phone or hand warmer packets. I think this piece would look nice in contrasting color too. I am obsessed with the front slit detail. I think they look really nice with these short boots or some strappy sandals.